Hello everyone and thanks for hanging out with me. I have very important news for all the pre-bookers for the Volkswagen Id.3 first edition. So like I said in the video in Frankfurt, there were so a day after the world premiere, so September 9th, on the Tuesday in the evening, I got an email. I don't know if every country is the same. I can only speak for Germany. So I got the email on September 10th in the evening that from September 11th on till October 9th, you can go to a Volkswagen dealership and select your color and your feature package. And I didn't have time. On Wednesday I wanted to go right away, but the dealership had to update the system so they can do it, and they weren't ready on that day. And Thursday I couldn't do it. Friday was at the Frankfurt Motor Show. Saturday, Sunday went by. Monday I couldn't do it. So Tuesday I was. And this is important. So whoever got that email, go to the dealership and select your feature package and your color and everything, because if you don't do that, Volkswagen has a limited number for versions, and if the number is gone of the specification that you want, you don't get it in the specification, and that's just crap. You don't want that. So I was at the dealership yesterday noon, and a nice guy, and he explained everything to me, and he showed me that I was one of the first who did the pre-booking on May 8th, and then we went through the thing, and I wasn't allowed to take any pictures because I wanted to because it's hard to remember all the stuff, but I remembered a few things. And from the email, that the news in the room update from Volkswagen and some videos I've seen from other YouTubers, I can now tell you all the settings and everything. But when you're there at the Volkswagen dealership, there are 4 colors to choose from for the first edition, and all 4 were at the Frankfurt Motor Show: the white, the light gray, the dark gray, almost black, and that green bluish thing. Then you can select your interior, and here you can select black, black gray, white gray, and orange white. And the orange white was something that was at the Frankfurt Motor Show a lot. So the steering wheel is white, but then sides at the doors and a bit on in the front is then this orange. I chose a white gray and exterior color white. And I took the plus picture, which is now called line 2. So they have line 1, 2, and 3. And I have the features here, taped to something here beside the camera so I can tell you. So there was a mistake in the newsroom text that Volkswagen sent out. Because in that thing it said that adaptive cruise control is in line 2, but it is already in line 1, and that's important. So if you take the first edition first, you get adaptive cruise control. You don't need the plus. And I saw the spreadsheet, and he showed me in the computer, but there was a picture, but the picture is just a different colors. You didn't see any interior pictures, was it outside? So I don't know if this was all accurate. So important is, and this is the same as I said in Frankfurt Motor Show, first edition starts under 40,000 euros. They don't say which color it is, which price it is exactly, but I'm guessing a tiny bit under the 40,000 euros. Line 2 is under 46, and line 3 is under 50,000 euros. That is a lot. And this is before incentives. Here in Germany, that means 2,000 euros less when you buy it, and then you get another 2,000 from the government later. And features are, in line 1 you already get LED headlights, but normal LED, no matrix. like I said, adaptive cruise control, navigation, digital radio, seat heaters in the front, steering wheel heater, the armrests, the home charger, 80-inch wheels, parking sensors. I don't know if it's the front or the back, I guess the back. Do you have your internet connectivity? You have App Connect. You can control the car via your voice. And you already have the bicolor thing. So it already has the 2 colors. Did I write that down right? I'm not sure about that now. Maybe I had that wrong and this is in line 2. Okay. Line 2, under 46,000 euros. Keyless entry. Great. Design seats, whatever that means. Backup camera, 2 USB-Cs. I cannot believe that they don't have USB connectors in line 1. Maybe it means that they have now 2 because there were 2 in the front and 2 in the back. Maybe it's this. Matrix LED headlights, and I got the explanation. So in the Matrix LED headlights, it's like with the Jaguar I-Pace, when you have your high beams on, it will take out the car that comes towards you, so your high beams can stay on. And what do I want to say? An important thing is you have to set it. You have this always on, and when you turn on your high beams and then you drive over 60 kilometers, this thing will work, and it will always be on and turn on. Leave it on and off the parts of the road that it thinks that are okay. Then LED lights for everything else. So. Indicators, brake lights, lights in the back, all are LED. 19-inch wheels, it all says light metal wheels, everything, all the lines say the same thing. Ambient light, tinted back windows and normal back window. Exterior pack in silver, whatever that means. No idea. Line 3 for under 50,000 euros has of course the head-up display that projects the arrows not only on the screen but also on the road. The heat pump, which is weird that it's not in 1 or 2, but it said it on the sheet. I saw the sheet that he showed me. It's weird, but just like it is. Wireless phone charger. Lane keep assist, comfort seats, premium sound, panorama roof, 20-inch wheels, and with the lane keep assist comes more. Oh, what I forgot about the first one already has traffic sign recognition, so all of them have that. That's nice too. So it's up to you what to choose. Go to your dealer. Don't miss out your chance. Select the color, select interior colors, and watch which version you want to get. What's also new that I didn't know before, that I learned at the dealership, is that I signed something so that it says in the thing I show you now. It says that what color what everything that I chose, that they have a signature with that I didn't make it up, that nobody can complain afterwards. But what I know now is that here in Germany you cannot order the car before April of 2020, and until then you can cancel your reservation at all time. So till April 2020 you can do whatever you want. Then you order it, you really sign a binding contract, the car is yours, and shortly after that, depending on your reservation spot, you get the car. So it's very possible when in April, when you sign it, a few days later you get the car. And he told me that delivery is scheduled to be April, so it should start April, and that's great. And they start building cars this November. They in Zwickau, in East Germany, they converted one line that normally produces the Golf for Id.3, and they're adding another line in the next year. And this is how it all comes together. So of course I'm excited. It was nice to see cars and select stuff, and I'm happy with my choice. I thought about the Line 3, of course, but the only thing that's really interesting to me in Line 3 is the heat pump. Head-up display is nice. Lane keep percent is nice. All of it is nice, but not for another 4,000 euros. That's just too much. It's not worth it for me. And I was hoping that it would be a bit of less of a difference. I thought it would be 40, 43, 500, 47, and then with the incentives I would get it for 45, the max, so Line 3, and this would have been okay, but 50, and so I pay 48, and then another incentive 46, but I finance, and the 2,000 that I get incentives is also something I'm paying in front, so it's not, for me it's not cheaper because of that. So it would be 48, and 48 is, I don't know, that's a bit too much for me, and it doesn't do it just for the heat pump. Heat pump would be nice, of course, and yeah, and that's what we all know from the new updates. And so go to your dealership and select and tell me what you selected. I want to know. And then we all drive in April. We all meet we all meet up and we all drive along. Can't wait for that. 6 months, bit more. Maybe 7. Okay, thank you very much for watching. Have a great day and take care. Bye.